Denali is a global integration company headquartered in Redmond, Washington. We really will do whatever the customer needs in terms of their integration. Specifically, what we focus on my team is industrial automation solutions for large Fortune 500 companies.
Denali chooses Vention to do speed to market. The time to value when using Vention is incredible. The ability to bring an idea to life for a customer and get parts quickly allows us to get to market quickly and makes for a happy customer. The main success factor is definitely collaboration. So when we are presented with a problem with our customers, we need to come up with a solution fast. We use Vention, their engineering, their software. It allows us to really collaborate and create a solution quickly for the customer to review.
My experience working with Vention was that it was such an easy platform to learn and navigate. I remember my first time using it, I was able to create a solution with no training essentially, and that was a huge boost to my productivity.
What solution Vention provides, it really comes down to the interface. We achieve same-day results together. We are able to go online, listen to our customer requirements, be able to come up with a design, and order parts the same day.
Not many CAD softwares offer their catalog built into the designing solution, so being able to pick your parts, snap them together, create the customer solution in such little time is definitely the success factor.
The design platform, bar none, is the biggest advantage when working with Vention.